Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the latest filework run from Tom Stratton. It's August 2015 and we just got them in, and I'm gonna show a bit his latest work in this video. The Swiss Army knives are limited editions made by Victorinox for swissbianco in the olive drab and in the coyote brown color. We did each two of the knives. They are not all done yet. He needs his time to make the file work. It's all made by hand and each one is unique, one of a kind. There are no two alike, so he just did this couple that we're gonna show here, and then the second part of those, the olive drab and the coyote brown one's gonna follow a bit later. Filework is the decoration on the main blade. In case you don't know, it doesn't have any or much practical purpose. It's just the embellishment and gives the knife a way nicer look. Usually pictures or the camera can't capture how really nice the item look because it's too shiny. You need to see that in nature if you can, like at the blade show where we always try to have a couple of those fileworked knives there as well. This one is a bit more unique piece. We see it's fluted all the way. I don't know if that sort of filework has a special name, but this is just a fluting all over the main blade there. Really nice done. That was one of the pieces that I did see as I unpacked the box firsthand. That is really nice done. Great idea. Tom is completely free on what he gonna file work on the blades. He is the artist. He can select what he feel is best on those blades. We see here a complete different style of file work on that one, so each one is really unique. Yeah, Swiss Army knife with that kind of embellishment you're not gonna see every day because they are all handmade and unique, so there aren't that many out there. We usually try to make two pieces of each of the limited edition runs in filework. So if we have like around 100 of those unique Swiss Army knives, two of the same ones get file worked only, and just each one is different anyhow, so the two of the same Swiss Army knife have a different file work on them. It's just in the way how it is. There is no way to completely duplicate the same file work on each knife, so each one is truly a single piece and absolute rare. Yeah, that was it in this run. In a couple weeks we're gonna get the rest of that olive drab and coyote brown run, and I want to thank Tom Stratton for all the help over the years. That's really unique. There are some other people out there as well that do file work, but the quality is always a problem there. So Tom is really consistent over the years. We do that now for quite a while, and we want to keep that up for the future for sure. So that much about the 2015 in August, the run from the filework Swiss Army knives.